Good morning, class 4th. Class, this is your English language book and today we'll start chapter 6, pronouns. Okay, so the first question is, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Okay, what is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid repetition of a noun word. ओके एक ही नाउन वर्ड को हमें बार बार ना लिखना पड़े. दैट्स वाई वी यूज प्रोनाउन वर्ड. ओके, दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल. रीड इट. अनुष्का बॉट अ ब्यूटिफुल पर्स बट सी लॉस्ट इट इन द ट्रेन. सो क्लास, इन दिस एग्जाम्पल देर आर टू sentences. First sentence is Anushka bought a beautiful purse. Okay, in this sentence Anushka is a noun word and purse is a noun word. So we use pronoun word at this place. Okay, so Anushka is a girl, that's why here use she. And purse is a thing name, non-living thing name, that's why use it. Okay, we use she and it at the place of Anushka and purse to avoid repetition of a noun word. Okay, clear what is pronoun? Next thing is pronouns include I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, it, they, them, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, and theirs. These all are pronouns word. Clear? Okay. And main important pronoun are I, which is used for ourself, he for singular and male person, she for singular and female person, it for non-living thing or animal. Okay, they for plural person, we for plural person, you for another person. Okay, so these are the most important pronouns word. Clear? And her, them, mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, these all are also pronoun word but used in as a third person. Okay, so ready to solve the exercise number first? Very good. So the first exercise or first question is, rewrite the sentences using pronouns in place of the words in red. In this question you have to use pronoun word at the place of these red color area word. Okay, just like number 1, don't touch the iron. The iron is hot. So in this sentence the iron is red colored and the iron is a non-living thing, so we use it at the place of the iron. So you will write, don't touch the iron, it is hot. Okay, we use it at the place of the iron. Next example, Rajni is sleeping. Rajni is wearing a night suit. The night suit is pink. In this sentence, here Rajni is red colored word. Rajni is a girl, so we use she. And the night suit is a non-living thing, so we use it. Okay, and you will write, Rajni is sleeping. She is wearing a night suit. Okay, it is pink. Clear how to do this question? Next, Zafar has not arrived yet. Zafar is always late. I must talk to Zafar today. So here Zafar is red colored one. Zafar is a boy, so we use he or him. Okay, here Zafar is as a first person. Okay, and here Zafar is a third person. Okay, Zafar is always late, so we use he at the place of Zafar. And here I must talk to Zafar today, so here we write him. Zafar has not arrived yet. He is always late. Okay, Zafar is always late, he is always late. I must talk to Zafar today, I must talk to him today. Next example, Salini went to a garden. There Shanli met her friend. Shanli and her friend had a great time in the garden. So in this sentence here, Shanli is red colored. So Shanli is a girl. So use she. Okay. And next, Shanli and her friend. Here there are two persons. We use they. So we will write Shanli went to a garden. First sentence. There she met her friend. Second sentence. Shanli and her friend. Two persons. We use they. They had a great time in the garden. Clear? Next thing is, in this chapter there are three kinds of pronoun. First is personal pronoun. Second is possessive pronoun. And the third one is demonstrative pronoun. Okay. So firstly focus on the personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are used in place of the names of person, animal and things. Clear? Personal pronouns are used in place of the names of persons, animals and things. And in this personal pronoun there are three persons. First person, second person and third person. Pronoun में total 3 person होते हैं. अगर हम pronoun का word का use कर रहे हैं तो total 3 person होते हैं. सबसे पहला होता है फर्स्ट पर्सन. रिफर टू द स्पीकर. आई, मी, वी, अस. मीन्स जो बात कर रहा है. ठीक. फर्स्ट पर्सन मीन्स जो कि बोल रहा है, जो कि बात कर रहा है. सेकेंड इज प्रोनाउन ऑफ द सेकेंड पर्सन रिफर टू द लिसनर और द पर्सन और पर्सन्स बीइंग स्पोकन टू. दूसरा होता है सेकेंड पर्सन, जिससे कि बात किया जा रहा है या जो कि बात सुन रहा है. जैसे हम बात बोल रहे हैं ना अपनी प्रोनाउन के बारे में, तो क्या हुआ, हम फर्स्ट पर्सन हुए. तुम लोग मेरी बात सुन रहे हो, तुम लोग सेकंड पर्सन हुए. ओके. फर्स्ट पर्सन जो कि स्पीकर है, जो कि बोल रहा है जैसे कि हम. सेकंड पर्सन जो कि बात सुन रहा है जैसे कि तुम लोग. एंड थर्ड इज प्रोनाउंस ऑफ द थर्ड पर्सन रिफर टू द पर्सन, एनिमल्स और थिंग्स बीइंग स्पोकन ऑफ. ही, हिम, शी, हर, इट, दे, देम. थर्ड पर्सन जिसके बारे में बात हो रही. अब यहाँ हम किसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? प्रोनाउन के बारे में. सो प्रोनाउन इज द थर्ड पर्सन हियर. आई एम द फर्स्ट पर्सन, यू आर द सेकेंड पर्सन एंड प्रोनाउन इज द थर्ड पर्सन. हम बोल रहे हैं, तुम लोग मेरी बात सुन रहे हो. और किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? प्रोनाउन के बारे में ना. तो प्रोनाउन क्या हो गया? थर्ड पर्सन. क्लियर है क्या होता है तीनों पर्सन? नाउ कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. ग्रुप. फर्स्ट पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. फर्स्ट पर्सन, सेकेंड पर्सन, थर्ड पर्सन. फर्स्ट स्पीकर. फर्स्ट पर्सन स्पीकर्स आर आई, मी, वी, अस. ओके. I, me, we, us are first person. Second person, you, listener. Okay. Third person, and person, animal, things spoken about. He, him, she, her, it, they, them. ये जो सारे होते हैं ये थर्ड पर्सन में. You, second person और I, me, we, us, first person. Now start to solve question number B. Underline the personal pronouns and write whether they are in the first person, second person or third person. In this question, firstly we have to underline the personal pronoun and then find out that which person is this, first, second or third. So in first sentence, we will take part in the marathon. It is on the Monday. So in this sentence, we is the first person and it is the third person. Second example, we will also ask others to join us. So in this, we and us are personal pronoun. We and us also comes in the first person. You can see here, we and us. Okay. Next example, I am sure we will have a good time. So I and we are personal pronoun and both are first person. You can see here, I and me. Okay, I and we. Fourth number, they will give the money to the poor. It is a noble effort. So in this sentence, they and it are personal pronoun word and both are come in the third person. Okay, you can see here, they and it. Next, Sweta said She would also come. You can come with her. So in this sentence, she, you and her are personal pronoun. Okay. She and her are third person. You can see here she and her third person. And you second person. Okay. Next exercise, question number C. In this question, fill in the blanks with suitable personal pronouns. We have to fill it with personal pronoun. Okay. Just like number 1, Yamini lives across the street. She is my friend. Why is she? Because Yamini is a girl. That's why we fill she. Abhay and Arun are running to school. They are late. Why they? Because they are two person, plural person. That's why we fill they. The dog was hungry. It lapped up all the milk. Why it? Because dog na animal name na. That's why we fill it. Raghu has a younger sister. He loves her a lot. In this we fill he and her. He for Raghu and her for sister. Neha said to Chitra, do not worry. Chitra, I will help you with the homework. I for Neha and you for Chitra. The child from the other school is performing now. We will perform after them. Okay? We is used for these students. Raman said, this is Rahul's pen. I myself kept it here. Why I feel here I? Because of myself. Okay? I is used for myself. And it for pen. Smita was participating in a play in a school function. She invited her grandfather for it. He enjoyed watching the play. She is used for Smita. It is used for school function. And he is used for grandfather. Okay? Next question. This is the second pronoun. Possessive pronouns. First number is personal pronoun. Second is possessive pronouns. And third is demonstrative pronouns. So what is possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns show possession, belonging और ownership. Possessive pronoun क्या होता है? जब कभी भी आप कहीं हक दिखाते हो, ये मेरा, ये तुम्हारा, ये इसका, ये उसका है. जैसे this is my book, this is my pencil. Okay? This pencil is yours. This book is yours. This book is hers. That is called possessive pronoun. Read this example. The blue dress is mine. Is this book yours? So in this sentence, number first, mine is a possessive pronoun word. And second, yours is a possessive pronoun word. In the above sentences, mine and yours show to whom the objects mentioned in the sentences belong. They are possessive pronouns. Okay? जब कभी भी आप हक जताओ कि ये मेरा, ये तुम्हारा, ये इसका, ये उसका, all these words come in the possessive pronouns. In this possessive pronoun also there are three persons. First person, second person or third person. First person is speaker, second person listener or third person talking about. First person mine or ours, second person yours or third person his, hers, their, its. Okay? So next question is exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. In this question, you have two options. You have to fill the correct one. Just like number 1, the book belongs to Sonam. It is hers. Why hers? Because Sonam is a girl. That's why we fill hers. The farmhouse on the hill is ours. We go there every summer. Ours or there, we fill ours. Okay? Because of we. Okay? These scarves belong to Anandi and me. They are ours. Okay, why ours? Because they are two person. One is Anandi, second is me. That's why we fill ours. I brought those pens. They are mine. Okay, mine. Why mine? Because of I. My mother gifted that tie to my brother. It is his. His for brother. Whose shirt are these? Are they yours? Okay, you will fill yours. Renu borrowed my crayons. She had given hers to the poor child she saw on the road. Okay, you will fill hers. The rabbits ran into a burrow. Is that burrow theirs? You will fill theirs. If my sister does not get a new toy, she will take mine. Okay? It is for Rahul to decide. That decision is his. Okay? So class, it's enough for the day. We'll continue the same chapter tomorrow also. So thank you.